Welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change photo background with just your Android phone. So let's move. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about photo editing with your Android phone. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to change photo background with just your Android phone. So let's begin. So you have to click on your Play Store right here. So on getting to your Play Store, next thing you need to do is to type in Photo Director. So that is the app we are going to use. Photo Director, and click on search. Now you have it right here. Okay. Photo Director is a great AI photo editing app with Android phone that you can use to edit your photo to make it look more professional. And this app right here has been successfully downloaded with over 50 million plus people in the past. So what you need to do is to simply download and install the app on your Android phone. After a successful download and install the app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on open. So it's going to load up like this, the interface, then it take you in straight up. Okay, now let's see how we can use this particular AI photo editing app to edit our background or to change our photo background in Android phone. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on edit right here. Then from your phone album, you have to choose the picture you want to use. So I'm going to scroll down to the picture. So I'm going to use this particular picture right here. So what I need to do is to simply click on the picture and it automatically load up in the editing workspace. So I can simply swipe this way. So I can swipe this way and this way. Then I will navigate to background art. So you have to give the AI a little bit patience to work on the background. It automatically remove the background without any stress. Then from there, we can proceed to how we can change the photo background to another professional look background. Okay. Boom. Just like what you see right here, the background has been fully removed. Next thing we want to do here is to simply navigate to background right here. Now, there are a lot of background templates that you can just download and use it for your photo. But in this tutorial, I'm going to use black background. Then I have to make sure I click on black right here. So there are thousands of templates here, just like I said. So you can swipe right here and choose any of the templates. So the black background I'm going to use is right here. So I'm going to use this one right here. So I will simply select the background, then automatically it's embedded into the photo. Next thing I'm going to do here is to adjust the image. I can click on the image and increase the image size and also rotate the image at the same time. So everything depends on how you want your image to look like. Then I'm going to position it this way. Then we can also use this slider right here to control the radius of the background and how we want the background to be blended with our image. So I'm going to come to the radius right here and turn down the opacity of the black background a little bit. Okay, so I can make it something like 30%. Okay, so once you're satisfied with everything, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this check mark here to accept the new background. Then it's going to update it to the just like what you see right here. Lastly, what you can do right here is to simply come to the top right here, click on this icon for you to simply download the photo into your phone gallery. Boom, simple as that. So we have successfully downloaded it into the phone gallery. So this is after, and why this is the before image right here. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to change your photo background on Android without any stress, or free. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Android photo editing app. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.